or you want to attract more local clients for your business. In this video, I will guide you step by step in order to rank higher on Google My Business profile. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to download GMB, which is an extension that will help you a lot to find out about your competitors, which categories they are using. So for example, I already downloaded the extension. It's called GMB Everywhere. I will put the link into the description as well. And after that, you're gonna visit Google My Business, Google Maps, and from there you are gonna search for your business. So for example, I'm gonna search for digital marketing agency in let's say New York or whatever, doesn't matter. So we'll come with a bunch of digital marketing agency. Again, you can choose another business as well, and that's fine. Whatever business you are running at this point. So here we came up with a bunch of businesses, and for example, let's say JVS Media, their primary category called marketing agency advertise. So the ones that has the star, there's a primary category, and then the rest of it is secondary category. Okay, so once you got this data from your competitors, you're gonna visit your Google My Business profile. You're gonna update. You're gonna update your primary and secondary categories. So, for example, let's say for my business, I chose marketing agency as my primary category, and the rest of it as secondary categories, like all of these keywords. So you can do this by visiting your Google My Business profile and then click on edit, not service, sorry, edit profile. And from here, you could be able to edit the primary category and secondary. So once you're done with this step, we'll move on to the third step. So, sorry, let me just do Control Z. And then, so the third step is to update your Google My Business profile description. So try to add keywords as the service that you are offering, the areas that you are targeting. For example, let's say if your business is based in New York, maybe you can target all of the cities or all of the local areas that you want to offer your service to. And the third step is to get done with this. And in order to get done with this, you're gonna visit your Google My Business profile again, and then you're gonna click on edit profile. And from here, you'll be able to update this information. Now, the fourth step is to add high quality images and videos. So if you add high quality images and videos, this will increase the amount of clicks, and eventually this will also, for potential customers, they will be able to see what you have done. They'll be able to see your team. You'll be able to see more information about you. So having these personal images about your company and about your teams is helpful to increase their retention, increase the leads. So yeah, it is very helpful as well. So to build that trust between the visitor and your business. Now, the fifth step is to always, with the client that you already work with, to ask for reviews, and then as well as once you get the reviews, response to them, because this will show Google that you're engaging with your clients or customers. And it doesn't matter if it's a good review or bad review, still respond to them. And how to send like a link for your customers so they can send you the review much easier. So in order to that, I'll visit Google My Business profile again, and then click on read reviews. And from here, if you click on get more reviews, you'll be able to share the link, and then from there they will be able to give you more reviews to your business for whoever you're sending. Now, there's two more other steps. So adding a keywords to your business is a very good strategy to rank better, but again, you need to still follow the Google policy for this, because if you add like spammy keywords, for example, top digital marketing agency in Mississauga or wherever you are based, your profile might get restricted. So following Google's policy is important in order to do the step 6. And for the step 7, it's very important to put your right information. So if it's your phone number, if it's your email, if it's your website, connecting those information for your Google My Business profile going to be important.